TJ just right here smiling. He's happy as can be.
Really? That's not how you eat a pup cup.
Perfect too.
Happy birthday, Ezekiel.
Yay!
I know, buddy. I know. You get it out. You get it out.
Can disarm anyone with his charm.
What are you doing?
He just started to lean on me like this and fell asleep.
No! Hey!
Akira? What the?
Do you want the food?
Cậu cả trong một gia phả. Cậu cả là thằng mà phá gia. Cậu cả thích chơi mà đập đá. Cậu cả thiếu tiền không trả ha. Cậu cả là con ghê con gớt. Cậu cả như trái ớt. Cậu cả là đại mà thiếu gia. Cậu cả thiếu gia chứ không phải thiếu gia.
What personal space is? Do you? No, you don't.
Oh no, Walter.
Lorna.
Find out in the snow? Oh no!
I think every dog does that. Come here, Lucy. Lucy, come here.
Go.
Happy birthday! Aww.
Go, baby girl. You can do it.
My happy
happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
I wonder who ate my fucking food. Who the fuck ate my food? Who was it? I wonder.
Flower, come here. All right, we're taking the puppy on a little walk today. Oh my God, he's peeing on me.
Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty.
That is not a titty.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
God damn. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God. What is that?
Get it, puppy, get it.
Hey, did you break that? You broke it.
No eggs. No eggs. Please stop. Mother.
Logan, sit. Wipe your butt.
Get my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey!
Oh, shit. No!
People and their dogs, they look alike. And if you don't look like your dog, then you and your dog give off the same vibergy. That's vibe plus energy. And if you think I'm wrong.
Give me it back.
I'm sorry. I have to come home smelling like dog sometimes. I do.
my god! Somebody, and they gave this to me. They just gave it to me. And now it lives in my house.
Okay, we're leaving. Oh, camper. I'm sorry. Barley.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Whoa. Jackie, get out of there. Let me see.
Come on. Come on. Ooh, your diaper's falling off.
Oh boy, it's time to eat. 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 Boop, boop. Good girl. There you go.
Ew.
He's got a fucking camera. No, go into the door. They can't tell him before it's done.
He is. He's listening. You're listening, Frankie. Eh?
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
Brakes fail.
Oh my God. Get back, Art. Get back, Evan. Oh, get back. Where's it at?
It's
Let me have it.
Take let her go out. Let her go out.
I'm getting tired.
Walter, you having fun? Go for a ride?
I'm getting tired, Dada.
Doesn't always love his big sister.
Little puppy dog. Look at him go. Look at here comes Leonard. Here comes Leonard. It's like, oh no!
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
It works.
Daqui fui!
Do you want to go?
All right, what do you want? Dude. You getting some sun, dude?
Come on. Good girl, Lolly. Oh my god.
Easy. Easy.
Are you done?
Wait.
Oh, bear! Why are you so fat?
Pa. 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 Give me a pa.
Hey, I would like to kiss you on the mouth. And so what do you...
What are you doing? You just took a bath. What is all this? What'd you do?
What you doing, bruh? What you doing? Come on.
What are y'all doing? What is that? Like little sharks.
No. Oh shit. Get it out of the pool, Axel. Oh my God.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Ko'y modny pa rin.
Brooklyn, in the ball.
Come here, Maya. Maya, sit. Maya, sit. Good girl. Paw. Good girl. Good
girl.
Come in! Who's here? Who is that? Danica. Danica, sit. Oh, God. Well, at least we know who the protector of the house is.
Sit.
Jocks, come on.
Oh.
Stop it.
Get off my castle. No, don't. No.
Guess what? This dog keep looking back at me to see if I'm still following it or not. I was even following you, by the way. And I was trying to go to someone else. Yeah.
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Oh my God.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Oh my God.
Adeo.
Terrible las putas que se me tiran. Se me avalanchan en el auto, las zorras putas.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Mira cómo juega escondite. No mira el hijo de la chingada.
Come on. Let's just take him outside and let him have the damn thing.
Go to sleep.
When quitting isn't an option because you already paid for the membership.
This dog is living his best life.
Brother, what's that?
The Dachshund was bred to be fearless. They are actually the #2 most aggressive dog breed in the world.
Ay, qué lindo perrito.
Stop. They're just playing together.
Come.
Ay, qué bonito. No mueres, Sedacho, no mueres. Ay, hijo de tu puta madre, a la verga. Casi me muero. Her eyes literally go back in her head.
What the hell?
Stop saying that.
What the hell?
No. Hey.
Hey!
You want to find the quack quack?
Fuck. Mỏi.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto. Super dog.
No man, no man, no man.
Nice to meet you. Good boy. Okay, good boy. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Let's do it again. You ready? Dude, you are on fire.
I don't give a goddamn how famous I am or whatever. It don't matter to me because I'm about dead anyway, so what I give a shit.
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even go to right?
Oh no! Hooch! They took your bones!
CP.
Damn, you don't want me to put my foot on you, girl?
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine at almost 65.
I'll give you my address.
Oh my god.
Dante ka?